Alright, Mr. Claxton's algebra students, we are coming at you here with respect to Chapter 7, Section 4. It also applies to Chapter 7, Section 3. We've been working with the definition of a logarithm for a long time. The purpose of this video is to explain to you how to enter these logarithmic expressions into your calculator. And just, if you have a different calculator, how to navigate that. I'm going to try to keep it as short as possible. So we solved a logarithmic equation here that had the variable in what I call the value spot. Log base 16 of some number is equal to 5/2, or 2.5. So to solve that, we had to take 16 raised to the 5/2 power equal to x. I identify the base first, always. Always identify that base first. It's just an easy target. 16 raised to the 5/2 power. I tried to use some mental math here. What we did, or what you can do, is just enter it into your calculator. You will get 1,024. So 1,024. So now, whenever we plug log base 16 of 1,024 into our calculator, if you're on the TI-84 plus Silver Edition, you're going to want to hit the math button, and then it's easiest just to hit up twice, and you want this log base. That's a log with a custom base. So log with a custom base, log base 16 of 1,024 equals, and then let me move this out of the way, 2.5. So that's 5/2. So I know that I'm correct. Now, if you don't have a TI-84 plus calculator to take that standard or that custom log, you're going to have to use this change of base formula and convert it to base 10. So, because that's what calculators work in. They work in base 10. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that would look like. Log of 1,024 divided by log of 16. And just how to do that. First thing you want to do is clear the calculator. This is just your basic computer calculator. You can turn your phone sideways to get this scientific calculator. I have to actually enter 1,024 in first. And then I'm going to perform the log function on that. And your calculator works in log base 10. So you see we get a goofy number there, but up here you see log of 1,024. Now we're going to divide that by log of 16. Now remember, I have to enter the number first. I almost forgot. So 16, take the log of that. It's 1.20411. Now I have to hit equals. And I get 2.5. So you got to hit that equal sign to finish that out. So that's how you enter those logarithms into your calculator. I hope this is helpful to you. I do try to explain it later on in the notes if you wanted to read something. I know sometimes it's just easier to read, so I give some screenshots there on how to get to that log base. And I try to explain what's going on right here, and I highlight that log key. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you guys are able to do this. Email me with any questions.